everybody, so today in this video we're going to be unboxing the contents of this box right here. This is something I'm so excited about. Been waiting for this to come out for ages, and then actually noticed that it was available on the F1 official store. So as soon as I saw it I was like, I'm ordering it. I've waited long enough, so let's get into it. Okay, I am excited. I'm going to make sure there's no rest or anything in here. No, I think we're good. Yeah. So, here it is. Oh my god, I've dropped it. It's actually heavier than I was expecting. Oh my god. Oh my god. Look at that! So this is the Lando Norris McLaren F1 Mighty AllStars, made by Mighty Jaxx, and this is incredible. Like, even the packaging is better than I expected it to be. Wow. It says AllStars Edition. Then we've got Lando. It's a little bit dusty. I think it's because it's been in the box. And then on the other side, let me get this box out of the way, in fact. On this side we have a picture of Lando. Pretty cool. And then we have the authenticity thing, the Mighty Jaxx hologram here. There's a sticker here that's used to say something else here, but I don't know what it is. It's got some blurb here talking about F1 23. It's 24 now, so it's out of date. And then on this side we have got both of the McLaren drivers. So we've got Oscar Piastri and Lando Norris. I think you can get these for every driver, but obviously I'm going to get Lando. These are not cheap. They are like collectible pieces of art, so that's kind of why you're probably not going to see that many of these around, to be honest. I was looking for unboxing videos of these, but literally no one's done any. So yeah, I'm gonna open it. Am I gonna break the seal? I am. Just got down to get into a better position to get this open, so I've broken the seal. It's now worthless. Okay. Nice bit of papaya there. Oh my god. I'm so excited. Okay, so we've got this. And then we've got, ooh, so we get quite a lot of stuff. We've got the F1 2023 Formula 1 season Team McLaren. This is like quite a thick card. It's like an oversized kind of card. That picture looks so old now. Lando looks so different. But yeah, it's pretty cool, to be honest. Put that there. I'll have a look at this little envelope. It says, what does it say on it? I can't even see it. Mightyverse. So let's have a look at what this is. This is my certificate of authenticity. It is. That's pretty cool. Certificate of authenticity and ownership. Wow. So yeah, this shows you that it's an expensive item. I say expensive. Yeah, it's expensive. I can't even try and say that it's not. So yeah, that. And then we have our figure. Some more tape here. And here. Daddy is free. Oh my god. This is cooler than I even expected. Okay, come on Lando. So it's got this to protect him in his little casket, I guess. But here he is. Oh my god. Peel? Why am I peeling? There's something to peel. It says peel. Oh, it's to protect the back so it doesn't rub against anything. Genius. So, yeah. If you wanted just a replica helmet, this would be perfect. Because it is just literally a replica of his helmet last season. And it's even got like Android, Tenzos, Elenkart, Quadrant, Android, Smart Sheet, Bell, who made the helmets, his personal trainer and stuff. Pretty cool. Then you've got the McLaren Formula 1 team and the 4. And then you've got all the logos down here. It's just, I love the scale of this, it's so preposterous. And then it's got all the logos on the front as well. Like the British flag. Even like, oh my god, the arms move. Who knew? So if you want him to do the Macarena or something, you can. So yeah, it's got the 2023 overalls. I feel like the 2024 one of this would be pretty cool. I hated the new overalls, but I like them now more than this. But yeah, so it's got all that logo down there, 2023, and even down to his little boots, got the LM logo. This is so cool. Mighty Jaxx and stuff on the bottom. And yeah, there he is, my little collectible Lando Norris Mighty AllStars. So there we go. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will hopefully see you again very soon. Adios.